Hey guys, how's it going today? It is Tuesday and another day. The garage door is open again, so that is so wonderful. I love when it's open. Today is the conjugate stuff for some upper body. I'm doing some strict press against bands, and then we'll keep working on my top set that I've been doing for my bench. So kind of getting to the end of that, so just trying to get stronger. That's what I love. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can keep tuning in and checking out what's going on.
till the night is through. With you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young.
That was the video for today. After the barbell rows, I did some bamboo bench press with the reverse flies, and then also some barbell side bends. That was kind of the good finisher. I've talked about the bamboo bar, which we use just a PVC pipe with some bands and the metal weights on them, instead of a bamboo bar with the kettlebells, since we don't have any of that. But I think that absolutely does the trick. Same feel, same everything. So definitely a good alternative if you don't have a bamboo bar, and really something awesome to try. I've talked about it before where it just looks so awful, even though it's not that awful. It looks the worst, but definitely a great movement, a great thing to add. One of the top things that I actually really enjoy doing, and really feel like I get a lot of benefit from those. That felt good. Basically done with the upper for today. We basically followed CrossFit Conjugate's upper stuff for today. So if you want to check out their programming for all those kind of things, that would be great. It's really awesome. Enjoy following that, and definitely have gotten a lot stronger. Glad you guys tuned in. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can check out the next video that we post. I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.